Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I actually have a pretty fun video lined up for you guys. I will be trying out wigs from Shein. Now Shein has a huge variety of wigs and they're very affordable as well. So I thought let's just buy some and try it out for you guys. So if you want me to try out a couple of wigs and hopefully not fail, then please keep on watching. I had originally placed an order for 6 wigs, but 2 of them were out of stock, so they sent over 4 wigs. I've also ordered a wig cap just in case I require it. Some of these wigs do have wig caps in them, but I wanted a skin colored one. Let's get started. I'll just put this one on first and then we'll go ahead with all of these wigs. So you do get 2 wig caps in here, which is a good thing. Now I know that you have to braid your hair before putting a wig on so that your hair is flattened out and everything, but neither do I have the patience nor the skill set for it. So basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to try and flatten out my hair as much as I can. I do have a lot of hair, so I'm going to try and just make sure that it's not as visible. Hopefully that is possible. And I'm just going to wear this wig cap. This is going to be difficult. I have worn a wig a couple of times and it has been very difficult for me to do that. So I'm just going to be, yeah, we're getting there. Ooh, that's a look. That's a dude look. This is probably as good as I can get it to look like. So we're going to try out the first wig, which is a bundle of red hair. I don't really remember what all I ordered, but I ordered remembering some bobs, some longer hairstyles and all of that. We have a wig cap in there, a black one. I think this is a bob cut red hair. So excited for this because I love red hair. Mine own didn't last for a really long time, but I do love red hair, and it does come in a net so that the hair are protected. The hair, of course, they feel and they look very synthetic-y, but what can you expect for like 400 or 500 rupees? So this is what it looks like from the inside. It does have fringes, so it would look a little less fake. I'm sure of that. So I'm just going to flip it around and I'm going to place it on top of my head. Whoa! Okay. It's pretty short from the behind, so I'm not too sure if you can see my hair or the wig cap. But from the front, I actually seem to quite like it. I think it's like a side bang situation going on over here, but I need to pull it down a little bit. So this is what the first wig looks like. I actually really like it. The fringes don't give it away so easily. Like, of course it's a wig, you can make it out, anyone can make it out, but I think it's pretty fun for a theme party or some costume or anything. I just really like how it is. I just, however, wish there were more hair, because even if you do something like this, it would expose the reality really quickly. Okay, on to wig number 2. Now this is a grey wig. Now grey took over the internet last year, and how? But somehow, in India, if you wear a grey wig, I am pretty sure people are going to troll you and call you a budhya rather than just appreciating the color. And I really wanted to try out a grey wig, and it's a pretty long one and it's like wavy and all of that. I'm really excited for this one. And it doesn't have any fringes, so it's just gonna be like that. Hopefully it looks good on me. I'm just gonna be placing it. Oh, I think it's slightly small for my head. Okay, that is definitely a look. That was a fail. Trial number 2. I am gonna hold the straps that are supposed to hold it on your head. I'm just gonna place it right here, and I'm gonna close the straps on the back of my head. Okay, and I'm gonna flip this around. Oh, that's a little low. I'm gonna push it up, and I'm gonna get the hair in. Okay, yeah, definitely not feeling this. But if you still want to see, okay, there is hair all over me. If you still want to see, this is what the length looks like. But if you flip around, I'm pretty sure you can see everything. So you have to keep some hair at the back. What do we think about this look? I think I liked the idea of a grey wig more than I actually like it on myself, and plus because of this this situation right here. It's too obvious that this is a wig. That's why nice wigs are so costly, guys, because you have to, like, the lace fronts and all of that, so that they look natural and they just look like it's your hair. This is just slightly, ever so slightly disastrous. Okay, next up I think we have a grey to pink ombre wig. I don't know why I already feel like this is going to be disastrous too, but we're still going to try it on. We're going to be a sport and it's for fun, right? Right. So this is what it looks like. Oh, the pink is so less. I thought it would be more. Like, the whole wig seems grey, and by the time pink appears, I don't think anyone can even, like, see till there. And again, it's one of those no bang wigs. So I think I'll again have to just flip my head over, tie it up and flip it back up. So we're just gonna keep it here, pull it down, and then I'm just gonna close. Okay, the strap just came out. We'll have to improvise. I will just place it on my head like that, flip it over. Okay, this is giving out my reality. Oh, it's a side bang situation, sort of a wig. Ooh. If you want to see what the full length looks like, this is what it looks like. And it's coming on my face. This is what I look like in the wig. Again, it's one of those wigs where everything from the back can be seen. So you better not turn around. Just stay like that if you want to buy one of these wigs. They do have a lot more hair than the red one, so your reality won't be instantly exposed even if you were to do that. But am I feeling it? Hell no. Alright, time for the last wig, and probably the one that I'm the most excited about. Unicorn hair. Honestly, it looks really beautiful. The color melt is really nice. It's not chunky at all, and it has fringes, so it would be a little bit more believable. Let's just flip our head around, and hopefully the strap of this one is slightly more, durable. So I'm just gonna place it on top of my head and just tie the straps around. Let's see, what do we have in here? Oh, I can't see. Need to push it back a little bit more back. Need to adjust the fringe. Need to adjust the hair. Ooh, I really like this one. Like, of course it's not believable, but that's the part of it. It's a fantasy wig, and this is what the complete wig looks like. I really like this one. I think this will be my favorite out of the whole lot, mainly because it doesn't have to be believable, and even with the back, it's not as bad. Ooh, I really am enjoying this one. I can't wait to actually pose with this in one of my Instagram photos and be like, I'm a unicorn. But ooh, I really like this one. I like the length, the color melt and everything, and how it's looking on me and everything. So this is a win. And now back to my boring normal hair. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, let me know if you'd like me to try out more wigs from Shein or Amazon or anywhere. I would love to do it for you guys. You can also leave me links in the comment section below of a couple of wigs that you want me to try out. I would love to do it for you guys. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.